Gracie the garbage truck's secret garden. Gracie the garbage truck loved her morning rounds. She enjoyed finding treasures among the trash. One day she found a small packet of seeds. Too pretty to throw away, Gracie decided. Behind the recycling plant, she found an empty lot. Gracie gently scattered the seeds and watered them with her hose. Each day after work, she checked the lot. Soon, tiny green shoots poked through the dirt. Gracie smiled and brought compost to feed them. Flowers began to bloom, yellow, pink, purple. Bees and butterflies arrived, dancing in the petals. One afternoon, she found a wilted plant in the trash. She replanted it in her garden, and it perked right up. Word spread among the other trucks. Soon, the lot was a secret garden for the whole fleet. Gracie added a bench for human friends. Every spring, they planted something new together. The garden grew fuller, brighter, happier each year. Gracie kept her secret, though she loved to share it. For her, the best treasures weren't in the trash. They bloomed in the garden. The end.